Hello and welcome to this short video. I would like to show you today how we can implement applications for monitoring and measuring the linear motion of endless materials, as well as measurement tasks for piece goods. There are many linear motions that need to be monitored in a production process, from the raw materials and subsequent production steps, right through to the finished product where, for example, the respective dimensions need to be checked again for quality assurance purposes to separate out defective parts. We will now look at some typical applications and the available solutions. Let's take a look at the two lines at the rear. These represent typical applications, for example, position determination for a printing operation, or simply measuring speed. Traditionally, these kinds of applications are solved using measuring wheel encoders that can perform tactile measurements on a wide variety of surfaces. I would like to now show you our latest innovation. The MWS-120 is the next evolutionary step in measuring wheel encoders. This mechanism can be combined with any encoder and measuring wheel, depending on the requirements, from traditional incremental encoders to absolute encoders with a field bus or I/O link interface. A true highlight, however, is the mechanism itself. When maintenance is required or material is changed, the encoder, together with the measuring wheel, can simply be folded upwards. On completion, the mechanism is returned to the working position without using any tools. The contact pressure is reproducible and can be adjusted in increments of 4 Newton up to 24 Newton. For sensitive materials where tactile measurements can, for example, lead to damage, I will show you a solution shortly using our non-contact SpeedTech device. Other linear applications require different solutions. Imagine you need to precisely cut materials or check lengths at the end of the production process. Here is an example. For piece goods, it is not really possible to determine their length as they pass by using aforementioned technology. We do, of course, have an intelligent solution for this too. The AHS-AHM36 absolute encoder is permanently attached to the drive mechanism. When a material is present, this photoelectric proximity sensor sends a switching signal directly to the encoder via a PLC. The encoder thereby receives a start and stop signal and can output the length directly via I/O link. This encoder series offers a lot more besides smart tasks. Further diagnostic data, such as temperature, an operating hours counter, and a speed monitor, enable the development of Industry 4.0 applications. For example, predictive maintenance. This information is output directly from the encoder via I/O link. We have now looked at various tactile solutions, all of which can also be implemented using our SpeedTech. SpeedTech is a non-contact system for measuring speed, length, and position without the need for measuring elements or a scale. The integrated Class 1 laser module operates on the Doppler principle and features direct detection capability. Lengths can also be measured by non-contact means, in combination with a photoelectric proximity sensor as a trigger. As we saw previously, it is possible to accurately determine the lengths of piece goods. This measurement principle means that the SpeedTech is virtually unaffected by the color and surface of the objects. It is also able, of course, to accurately measure speeds of up to 10 meters per second. Thanks to the non-contact measurement, the material is not damaged, nor the measurement results affected by, for example, slippage during dynamic processes. The SpeedTech is maintenance and wear-free. Being easy to mount and integrate, and with its high accuracy for short measuring lengths and start-stop operation, the SpeedTech could well solve your application too. SICK offers smart solutions for monitoring the linear motion of endless materials or piece goods that deliver real added value. Thank you for your attention. For more information and contact details, please visit the website shown here.